We have contained this. We have contained this. I won't say airtight, but pretty close to airtight. Look, I'm not the health expert, but on the so-called spike, I spoke to our health experts at some length last evening. They're saying there is no second spike. Let me repeat that. There is no second spike. There is no emergency. There is no second wave.
What? Wait.
Doctor.
What?
Dr. Kudlow.
Have another? Okay. My God. What's going on?
Dr. Kudlow, the man who told us in that first clip back in, I think was it March? February, late February, early March?
February 25th.
February, that the coronavirus was contained. That was nearly a month before the nationwide shutdown. And, of course, Kellyanne Conway got very angry at a CBS reporter for suggesting that the coronavirus had not been contained. 114,000 deaths later, 114,000 deaths after Larry Kudlow said the coronavirus was contained. He was speaking again on Friday, saying there are no spikes. That, as health officials warned, that the coronavirus cases are actually climbing in 22 states. Now, part of that, let us hope, is because testing has increased. But hospitalizations are increasing in many states, and concerns of healthcare officials are rising in many states.
Welcome back to Morning Joe. It is Monday, June 15th. Still with us we have White House reporter for the Associated Press, Jonathan Lemire. NBC's Casey Hunt is still with us, and professor at Princeton University, Eddie Glaude Jr. Joining the conversation, MSNBC contributor Mike Barnicle, and co-chair of Color of Change, a racial justice organization, Heather McGhee joins us this hour. Great to have you all.
Jonathan Lemire, it appears that at least for Larry Kudlow and some people at the White House, the defining narrative still is nothing. It's Chief Wiggum, nothing to see here.
Oh, Lord.
Move along, move along.
Yeah, I was going to go with the Frank Drebin reference from The Naked Gun, with the fireworks factory exploding behind him, and him saying nothing to see here. But you're right, and I think this is showing the singular focus from this White House to try to zero in on the economy. We saw the last couple of weeks, of course, that jobs report was better than expected. We saw the victory lap, perhaps premature victory lap, the White House took from that. That's been consistent from the president's messaging and his top aides that look, the nation is starting to reopen, the economy is starting to pick back up. The president saying, I built this economy the first time, and we can set aside, of course, that a lot of that he inherited from President Obama. But the case he's making is that I'm the one who can build it back up again after the pandemic. But they seem to be ignoring the growing surge in coronavirus cases across this country in places that perhaps weren't as hit as hard a few months ago. We're certainly seeing major reductions in the New York City area, which is great. That was the hot spot last time, the primary hot spot. But we're seeing the Sun Belt, states like South Carolina, Georgia, Florida has started to pick up. Certainly Arizona, Texas, they're in the city of Houston in particular has signaled that they're on the verge of an emergency in terms of infections there in hospital space. We're seeing the same issue out in Arizona. We're seeing health officials in Oklahoma tell President Trump not to come this weekend for his rally. That they say they'd be honored to have the president arrive in Oklahoma, but not right now, not as infections are rising. But the White House, there's no national message right now. The coronavirus task force has not publicly had a briefing in weeks. They're only meeting privately once or twice a week now, as opposed to before, where it was daily. It's too early to know whether or not we're seeing whether we will see a rise of infections from these mass protests that have obviously swept the country in the last couple of weeks.
Right.
The rise we're seeing right now appears to be from the reopening. And that's a message that the White House doesn't want to seem to touch.
Yeah, so thanks for checking out MSNBC on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the day's biggest stories. And you can click on any of the videos around us to watch more from Morning Joe and MSNBC. Thanks so much for watching.